Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Here is an informative tutorial about Python scripting in Vasari. Vasari is a software platform that allows users to create and analyze building designs. Python scripting in Vasari enables users to automate repetitive tasks, create custom tools, and extend the functionality of the software. To start scripting in Vasari, follow these steps. 1. Launch Vasari and open a project or start a new one. 2. Go to the Add-ins tab in the ribbon menu. 3. Click on the Python script button to open the Python script editor. In the Python script editor, you can write and run Python scripts that interact with the Vasari environment. Here is an example code snippet that creates a simple rectangular building using Python scripting in Vasari. In this example, we first import the necessary modules and classes from the Revit API. We then create a new rectangle geometry using the curveloop class and define its boundaries with 4 lines. Next, we start a transaction to create a new building element in the Vasari document using the newbuildingelement method. Finally, we display a message using the taskdialog class to notify the user that the building element was created successfully. Remember to save your Python scripts in the appropriate location within the Vasari project to access them later. Additionally, you can explore the Revit API documentation to discover more classes and functions that you can use in your Python scripts for Vasari. I hope this tutorial helps you get started with Python scripting in Vasari. Let me know if you have any questions or need further assistance.